Welcome back to Crafting K Studio. This week's project we're going to look at these old TV tables which have definitely seen better days. The tops are scratched, the finish was worn and they were looking rather tired. But instead of throwing them away, I've decided to give them a completely new lease of life. Let's see how they turned out. Every good makeover starts with preparation, so the first job was sanding away the old finish. I began with a coarser grit to remove the damaged surface before gradually working through finer grades to leave everything smooth and ready for finishing. It may not be the most exciting part of the project, but taking your time here really does make all the difference. And also remember what tools you had. I suddenly remembered I had the multi-tool, the Iron Hill multi-tool. For the first table I wanted to keep the beauty of the wood on show. After sanding I applied Danish Oil, which really brought the grain back to life while helping to protect the surface from everyday use. Sometimes keeping things simple creates the most elegant results. Once all the sanding was complete, I cleaned away the dust and prepared the frames for painting. The clean surface gives the paint the better chance of creating a durable finish that will last. I wanted the bases to contrast nicely with the lighter tops, so I used anthracite, which was a dark blue colour. Rather than trying to cover everything in one coat, I built the colours up gradually with several thinner coats, allowing each one to dry properly before adding the next. For the second table I wanted something completely different. I created this beautiful sunflower decoupage paper to give it a warm, cheerful look. Check out a future video as I'm going to show you how I did this, and it's really not that hard. After carefully positioning the design, I adhered it into place, smoothed out any of the air bubbles and allowed everything to dry thoroughly. The rice paper that I was using is a washi paper which had a self-adhesive backing on it already. Once dry, I trimmed the edges before applying several coats of protective clear acrylic to help make the surface durable enough for regular use. Just make sure the room's well ventilated and you're using your face mask, or you can do this outside. And here are the finished results. From one tied pair of old TV tables that looked very much from the 80s, I now have two completely different styles. One's going to be for my living room, where I have grey and yellow as a theme, and this is going to work perfectly well with my sunflower design. The other one, the natural wood finish, I'm going to use in the craft room. I'm sure if you keep your eye out on future videos, you'll see it in the background or being used as a tabletop. It just goes to show you that you don't always need to buy new furniture to create something beautiful. I hope you enjoyed watching this transition. If you did, please give a video the thumbs up, subscribe to Crafting Cake Studio and ring the notification bell so you don't miss future products. And remember, it's never a mistake, it's just another opportunity to create something beautiful. Bye for now.